Welcome back students for another session. So today I'm going to show you one of the best recipe of the French cuisine. The name of the preparation of fish orly. The fish orly you can say in a French term as a preparation and describe of basically we can use in a fish fillet, and we can coating with the refined flour, cornstarch, salt and pepper, and a little bit of water. We will make a simple batter and we will put into the a finger cut of fish and deep fry it, and you can serve hot. And a complement we can serve with the tartar sauce, mayonnaise. You can sometimes we can use a tomato sauce. So let's start. I will show you the first ingredients which are required of making the fish fillet orly. So first we require fish fillet. We take a fish fillet, and for making a batter we require refined flour, the next is a corn flour, then seasoning, salt, white pepper powder. We can also use a black pepper powder, 1 egg, whole egg. We need a whole egg, and we can also use olive oil for deep frying, and the garnish with a fresh parsley. Parsley for as a garnish you can use, and the complement of the fish orly you can serve with a mayonnaise sauce. These are complements, and also you can serve with a tomato sauce, either your choice. You can also use a tartar sauce, whatever your choice. So now I will show you the further process. So first we need a fish fillet. So first cut the fish in a finger size. First divide it into 1 by 2. Now I will divide the fillet 1 by 2, and we need a size of fish is a finger size. Make sure your all fillet size is equal. So this one, this one, and like do the same of second fillet. We need a finger size of fish. Approximate fish is cut. So now we will prepare the batter of the fish. I will show you. So first we will take this type of bowl. We need this type of bowl. Then I'm going to add first refined flour, 4 tablespoons refined flour, and the next is corn flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and the next is seasoning, salt as per the taste, the next is white pepper powder. You can also use a black pepper powder, and the next one is we need a 1 whole egg, and we can add also a little bit of water. We will make a batter with the helping of refined flour, corn flour, 1 whole egg, salt and pepper. Now again you can add much water. Make sure your batter consistency is the running consistency of your batter, and mix well with the helping of spoon. You can also use a whisker, and make sure to note the lumps inside of your batter. If your batter is a thick, so you can also use again a little bit of water, so that your batter consistency become in a thin consistency of the running consistency, not a very thin and not very thick. We need a medium. Make sure your batter is a lumps free. And you also whisk and mix with the helping of spoon in the same direction. Now you can see the consistency of batter is a very smooth and running consistency. You can check. So this type of batter consistency we need for making of the fish orly. So now the batter is ready. So next, so now I'm going to add fish pieces into the batter. And mix well, so that the whole batter will spread the fish pieces. So now I will show you the further process for the deep frying. So now switch off the gas. Now you will put the wok in a gas, then add oil for deep frying. You can add oil. So guys, first heat the oil in a high flame. So when the oil is getting hot, so then you keep the gas flame is slow. So first heat the oil in a high flame. So when the temperature is approximate is 183 degrees Celsius, so then you keep the gas flame is slow, and then you can add into the fish pieces, so that your fish pieces cook inside to outside, get well. So guys, one more thing, whenever you cook the deep frying, so make sure the first you will keep the oil in a high flame, and after that keep the gas flame is slow. When the oil is getting hot, approximately is 180 degrees Celsius, then you keep the gas flame is slow. Whatever you want to deep fry, you can add like fish, you can add into the fish, so that your fish will cook inside to outside. If you cook in a high flame in a deep frying your product, so your product will be cooked via outside, not inside. So make sure whenever you're cooking a deep fry, first use the oil. When the oil is getting hot, then you keep the gas flame is slow. And whatever you want to deep fry, so you can add your product into the oil, so that your product is well cooked inside to outside. Remember this point. Now guys, you can see now the oil, the approximate is a little bit hot. So just few minutes wait. So when the bubbling is starting, so then you keep the gas flame is slow, then add fish pieces into the hot oil, so that your fish get well inside cooked. So now guys, you can see now the bubbling is start into the oil, so now keep the gas flame is slow. Now I keep the gas flame is slow. Now will add fish pieces into the hot oil. Let's start. I will check. And you can also remove all the batter. So guys, when you add the fish into the hot oil, so 1 or 2 minutes you can leave the fish into the hot oil, do not touch. So now turn the fishes with the helping of operative spoon, and we will cook in the another side, you can see. So now we will remove the fish pieces in a hot oil and put in another bowl. So now you can see after deep frying the fish pieces. Now I will show you the plating. So you can serve with a tomato sauce. You can put the first tomato sauce, and after that we can slap with the helping of a spoon like this. And then I'm going to add fish pieces. Then add fresh parsley on the top of fish. And you can also use a tartar sauce. As you can serve with a mayonnaise, a cocktail